Raw mangoes are good or bad, or unripe mango, that is the mango that is green in color and white from inside, not orange, unripe and citrus in taste. Who should eat raw mangoes? Is it good source of vitamin C? But why this happen after raw mango? Some people feel stomach pain. So what is the truth? Is it good or it's bad? So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. This is Dr. Srinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. For sure, it reduces heat stroke and very rich source of vitamin C, but should be taken in moderation. When mango has not been ripened properly, it is known as amra in Ayurveda. That means it contains amra, so that means citrus taste it will have. That's why it is known as amra. Now first we should know the conditions when we should not eat raw mango or unripe mango. That means the mango that is green and citrus, like it is not soft, it is citrus, it is hard, that kind of mango. We should not eat such mango if we have fever, any kind of fever if we have, we should not eat it. If we have any kind of inflammation in the system, we should not eat it. If we have any kind of joint pains, we should not eat it. If we have any kind of bleeding disorders, we should not eat it. And if we have very high level of pitta dosha or pitta, we should not eat it. Raw mango is very hot in potency. Ripe mango, the yellow colored mango, it is fully ripened, it is cooling in potency. But this raw mango, it is very hot in potency. If you have pitta imbalance, you should not eat unripened mango. If you have vata related diseases, any kind of pain in the system, you should not eat unripened mango. If you have any kind of blood disorder like acne, boils, any kind of skin allergy, skin infection in which the blood related infections are involved, you should not eat unripened mango. So what will happen if I have very good metabolism and if I eat unripened mango? It will cause bloating because it's difficult to digest such kind of mangoes. It will cause burning sensation because it enhances the heat in the system because it's Ushna Virya. That means post digestive effect of such mango is hot in potency, hot. And it will weaker your digestion. That means it can also cause stomach pain or other stomach related issues. So that means we should stop eating raw mango chutneys and raw mango pickles and such stuff. If you are using green mango, they should, in the form of jam or chutney, it should be cooked well. Once you cooked well, the qualities of such mango will change. And even if you want to eat it, add some jaggery, some spices, too much spices, fennel, just to reduce heat, like mango pickle. Mango pickle, especially in India, it's been made and it is made of raw mangoes. But have you seen the recipe of this mango pickle? It contains a lot of spices, oil, and it then has been put in a jar and then kept for 6-7 months or sometimes for 1 year in a hot sun, and we put it in a clay pot. So this way, once the mango will be kept like this, the raw mango, it will act as probiotic. So this is best use of raw mango. And some cases when there is a lot of heat in the system, to save yourself from heat stroke, because it's a good source of vitamin C, we can use this raw mango, but raw mango should never be eaten in excess. Ripe mango you can eat even in excess, but raw mango if you will eat in excess, it will cause stomach pain. If you have any question regarding that, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. If you want online Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.